Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve a couple of SQL related coding interview questions. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. Also click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. Here we create videos to help others learn how to solve problems, how to solve different varieties of coding problems along with data structures, algorithms, problem solving and programming. So let's start. So a product schema is given to us, as you can see here, with couple of tables. The important tables for our today's queries are orders, order details, products, so and customers, right? So orders tables is this one. This is the schema, as you can see here: order number, order date, required date, shipped date, status, comments, customer number, right? The customers table has the customer information, as you can see: customer number, customer name, contact last name, contact first name, phone number, and the address related information, right? Like address 1, address line 2, city, state, postal code, country, and other credit limit, right? So the first question that we are going to solve is display the orders that are cancelled by customers and display the orders that are disputed by customers, right? So we want to find out the orders that are cancelled by customer, and we also want to find out orders that are disputed by customers. So for that we are going to use orders table, right? Because orders table has the information. The status is the that can tell us whether it's a cancelled order or it's a disputed order. So you can easily use that status column to solve this problem. So you can just write down the first query that will show you how the orders that are cancelled. So select star from orders where the status is equal to cancelled. It will show you the orders that are cancelled by the customers. And this next query, select star from orders where our status is equal to disputed, will show you the orders that are disputed by the customers, right? So this is a simple question for freshers, so I'll quickly execute this. So the first result set, you will see all the status cancelled orders. As you can see, all these are cancelled orders, right? The status is cancelled here. And the next result set is showing us the orders which are disputed orders. So these are the disputed orders, right? Correct. So the comment says that the customer doesn't like the colors and precision, so it's a disputed order basically, right? So this is how you can write down this SQL query. So it's pretty simple query, right? So this is how you can solve these two problems. The next question is display the customers who are from Madrid and whose credit limit is less than 50,000. Okay, so these kind of problems are again typical for the freshers and junior level developers, which is a very simple problem. This is how you can write down this SQL query. Select star from customers where city is equal to Madrid and credit limit is less than 50,000, right? So it will show you all the customers which are from Madrid and whose credit limit. So as you can see, these are the two customers we found. The city is Madrid, as you can see, and their credit limit is 0, so that it's less than 50,000, right? So it's showing us the correct answer here. If you want to find out all the customers in New York City, NYC, right, whose credit limit is less than 50,000, then you can just update this query and you can try this query also. This is how you can find out New York customers, right? So as you can see, these are the NYC is the New York customers and their limit is less than 50,000, right? Or if you want to find out all the customers in New York, then you can just remove this and you can just update the query and you can find out all the New York customers, right? So these are all New York customers. As you can see, all the city is NYC, which is a New York. So these are different credit limits, right? So there are 5 records we found actually, right? So this is how you can write down these queries. I'm creating these videos to show people how to solve simple SQL problems. There were some requests that they wanted to see how to solve simple problems by some freshers, so that's why I'm creating this video. So these first 3 problems that we have seen are very straightforward problem. This is more involved problem, right? This is a little more interesting problem. Find customers and total orders they have placed, order by ascending order count, right? So one customer can place multiple orders. So now what they are saying in this question is we want to find out the customers and how many orders they placed, but based on the ascending number of orders, right? So this is more interesting because one customer can place multiple orders, correct? So for example, if you take a look at this orders example, right, you can see here that this customer, these first three records, right, these first three records here, they are the same customer orders, right, 103, 103, 103. So this customer has placed three orders, right? Or 112 customer has placed three orders, you can see here. So one customer can place multiple orders, so they are asking us to find out how many orders that customer has placed, and based, and after that we have to also sort it based on the ascending order, right? So this is more interesting question. So this is how you can write down this SQL query. So here we are going to use two tables, orders and customers. So we'll call orders as O, customers as C. What we are going to select is some first customer information, like customers.contact first name, customers.contact last name, and then we are going to use aggregate function count O.order number as total orders, right? Because we want to use count based on the order numbers, right? Here we are going to join these two tables, orders and customers, based on customer number, because that is a common column in these two tables, right? O dot customer number is equal to C dot customer number. Now this is very important. Group by O dot customer number, right? This is how you want to group by, because you want to group on the customer number field, so that you can group these columns based on customer number, correct? As you can see here, customer numbers, this is what you want to group it, right, on. And then order by total orders ascending. So total orders is coming from here, right? So we are actually counting the order numbers count as a total order, so it should be in ascending order as per the question, right? So we are just using order by clause, and we are using total orders ascending here, right? So this is how you can find out the customers and how many orders they placed. So now we are going to run this query and make sure it gives us correct answers. So you can see that these are the customers and how many orders they placed. So I will first do one thing. I'll just update it to, let's say, 250. So you can see that the total orders, for example, Michael has placed one order, Mike has placed two orders, then Paulo has placed two orders. So this is how many orders they have placed, basically, right? Each customer with their name information. So you can see that it's increasing, right? 3, then 4, and it is in increasing order, right? So 5, then 17, then 26. So it is increasing order, basically, correct? So this is a more interesting question than other questions. Others are very, very simple questions. So here we have actually implemented a SQL query to find out how many orders that customers have placed, and then we also have sorted based on the orders. So this is a ascending order. If you want to use descending order, you can just use DESCE, right? So for descending order. So this is how you can solve these couple of coding SQL coding problems. So I just wanted to show you these simple queries because these kind of problems are also asked to the freshers and junior level developers in the interview. So make sure you know how the joins work, right? And if you want to find out uh, one other typical question comes is how you can write down the joins, right? So I'll also show you that now. So for example, you want to combine the orders and customer table, right? So how you will write the join query, I'll show you. So select star from, so let's use orders table here. So you can just use orders O and customers C, right? From orders O, and then you can just say join, right? Join customer C, and then on, right? O dot customer number is equal to C dot customer number, right? So that because these are the common columns between two tables, and order by C dot customer number ascending, for example, right? So this is how you can solve this problem. So now it will show you all the order and customer information, but it will be showing you in a ascending order of customer number. So this is how you can combine both the tables. As you can see, this is the order information. After that you are seeing customer number information. Now customer number is ascending order, correct? Customer number is ascending order. If you only want, this is happening two times because it is present in both the tables, you can selectively choose the columns that you want actually, right? So for example, you can just use um, o dot, let's take a look at what the columns are here. So order number, right? Order number status, like this. And then you can see that C dot customer number comma C dot first name, like this. Contact first name, contact last name, right? So you can select what columns you exactly want, like this. So like this you will see, right? So as you can see, customer number is in ascending order. So you will get the order details information, and then you will see customers also here, right? So this is how you can write down a join query, right? This is how the join works. So this is also called as inner join, right? Okay, so we have seen couple of questions and SQL queries today to solve this few coding problems. I hope this is helpful to you. I'm going to add all these SQL queries into my GitHub repository. I'll give you the link of my GitHub repository as well, so you can check out the other programming solutions available there. If you like the solutions in the GitHub repository, consider giving it a star on the GitHub repository. That would be great. If you are new to this channel, there is a very important coding interview related playlist we have created to help you in your interview rounds. It is called as lead code and lint code solutions. 200 most frequently asked very important coding interview problems are compiled in that playlist for your interview preparation purpose. Those problems are asked by Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Yahoo many times in their past interviews. They are very important problems. Make sure you go through all of them, understand them thoroughly. If you go through those videos and problems, you are going to learn a lot about data structures, algorithms, problem solving, logic building, Java programming and coding. It will also help you learn lots of new techniques of problem solving. So do check out the solved problems there. The name of the playlist is Lead Code and Lint Code Solutions. Now, if you are a fresher, junior level developer and you want to practice more coding problems for your interviews, to help your practicing purpose, we have created 3 other playlists for you here. The names of those playlists are Code Forces, CodeChef, AtCoder. Code Forces, CodeChef, AtCoder. All in all, more than 800 different varieties of problems are here to help your interview preparation and learning process. If you like this video, if you like this SQL solutions for these questions, then please give it a thumbs up to the video, give it a like to the video, subscribe to this channel. Subscriptions is very important because that's how the videos can reach to other people. So others will also be able to watch and learn from these videos. So do subscribe to this channel, share these videos with your friends and colleagues. So they will also learn how to solve these kind of problems and how to implement their solutions. Click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. On this channel you will see lots of solved programming coding questions that can help you in your interview preparation process. The different varieties of problems available here including graphs, matrices, binary search trees, breadth first search, depth first search, cadence algorithm, binary search algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm, Dijkstra algorithm, sliding window algorithm. There are also lots of important data structure questions available for you here, including stacks, queues, priority queues, hash table, hash map, tree set, hash set, linked hash map, linked hash set, arrays, linked list. All of those are very important problems. Go through all of them. They will definitely give you a good preparation for your interview rounds. If you are a fresher, junior level developer and planning to take Java interviews, there are lots of Java related videos we have created to help you here. For example, frequently asked Java telephonic interview questions and how to answer them, Java design patterns, Java architecture, SQL programming questions to the freshers, where they will give you database tables. They will ask you to write SQL queries, where you may have to use different database concepts like inner join, outer join, aggregate operations, group by and having clauses, different where clause conditions. So everything is explained in those videos with SQL tables as well as data and SQL queries. There are videos that discusses recently asked questions to the freshers about Unix, like Unix commands, Unix utilities, shell scripting questions. All are here to help you in your interview preparation process. If you like the videos on this channel, if they are helping your learning process, you are learning more techniques, more problem solving along with programming, then please do leave your messages, your feedback, your comments below these videos. Your messages, your comments, your feedback are highly appreciated, very important and valuable for us. They increase our motivation to create more quality content videos. So do leave your messages below these videos. Tell us how the videos are useful and helpful for you. If you want us to create videos about any specific computer science, Java J2E or interview related topics, then please mention those topics as well in the comments section below these videos so that we can create those videos for you here. If you haven't already checked the playlist on this channel, please go to the playlist on this channel. There are lots of interesting and good problems for you practicing there. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems, and most importantly, keep your learning process and practicing going on continuously. And thanks for watching these videos.